Who even is Kori Nicole? Just a girl with big dreams. Dreams to build something from the ground up and show others that they can do it too. I've always wanted to be someone that inspired others, someone that others could look up to. I know how crucial it is to see someone who looks like you doing the things that you want to do. I knew I wanted to be a content creator because I wanted to document my life and my experiences and share that with other people, and I love being in front of the camera. Since I was in high school, I knew I wanted to have my own business and I wanted to do something in fashion and beauty, but I never knew exactly what it would be. When I started this journey, I had no clue what I was doing. I stumbled across how to make lip gloss on YouTube and decided that this is what I am going to do. I love lip gloss and I love crafting things by hand and putting so much love into it. I spent hours researching, I spent a ton of money on supplies, and I practiced making gloss and filling tubes for countless hours before I got it right. When you want to do what you love, you have to make sacrifices. It's an investment, and sometimes you'll have some sleepless nights in order to get it all done. I want this journey to show you that everybody has to start somewhere. I started out as a girl with a dream and a squad that supported me, a girl that was so eager and so determined to find my way. The journey was definitely not easy. There were many bumps in the road that tried to discourage me, that tried to make me give up, but I kept going. The best part about it for me is the journey. I've learned and grown from my experiences and created something that I'm really proud of. If you are thinking about starting something and you're scared to take that next step, just go for it. I planned and procrastinated for years, and when I finally decided to take that leap, I surprised myself. I am so excited to go back and share this journey with you and show you how it all started. I am happy to say that I built something from nothing, and then there was smudge.